What if accepting crypto payments was as easy as sharing a link? What if you didn't need a wallet or a backend server? I'm Blockchain Oracle, and this is KasFlow, the first passkey-powered toolkit for Kaspa. The problem. Let's talk about what's broken in crypto payments today. Problem 1. Every wallet makes you write down your thrift secret words and store them securely. If you lose them, you lose everything. Problem 2. Kaspa doesn't have its reusable libraries for wallet connection. If you're a developer building on Kaspa, there's not a simple way to add your wallet into your app. No wallet connect button, no React hooks, you have to do everything manually. Problem 3. Payment acceptance is complicated. If you want to accept Kaspa for your business, you need a backend, a database, a webhook. It's really complex for simple payment. The solution. The KasFlow Passkey Wallet XDK that we invented uses a passkey instead of seed phrase just to fingerprint your Face ID. No need to remember your seed phrase. And here's the magic. It works on all devices automatically. Second is the React Wallet connector we built alongside that gives developers what Ethereum ID has for years, which is a simple hooks of components. In 5 minutes, you can add wallet connection to any app. And the KasFlow itself, a complete payment solution that allows you to create payment links, share a QR code, you get an instant confirmation, and you can generate receipts for your transaction. Even more interesting is no backend is required. Everything runs on the client side, making this fully decentralized. Live demo. Let me show you how this works. You visit KasFlow.xyz. First step is to connect your wallet. You can decide to connect via a passkey or a wallet connection. Connecting wallet is not mandatory. If you just want to create a payment, that is, if you're not performing a send, connecting wallets, it's not mandatory. If you have two methods of connection, you can decide to connect via the passkey or a wallet, and I'll show you what the both flow looks like. 1. For the passkey, you can see my fingerprint is trying to pop up. The second way of connection is connecting via the browser extension. Your wallet pops up. In this case, I'm using KasFlow. Connect to wallet. You're currently connected. You can see my address. QZCP. Yeah, the same address in here, which is QZCP. First, I'm going to try the passkey wallet connection in this case. You can see my fingerprint is popping out. With just my fingerprint, I have access to a deterministic wallet address. If I was to log in a different computer, I always get this address. And if you're curious how this architecture works, you can come check our documentation on the passkey wallet XDK. You can also view the XDK via npm to explore the architecture and how this works. Creating a payment. Creating a payment, you can navigate to the create link, provide a wallet address you want to pay, test length on minutes, but make sure you provide the right address. For minutes format, it doesn't have the test. Amount that you want to send, for my case here, I'll be sending an amount of 100. A melo for demo testing. Instantly, you can copy the link or scan the QR code. Now, I am the customer, so I'm gonna try make payments. Copying the same link, it takes us to his page, which is the /pay. Something interesting I do want to call out is that this QR code there means you can scan with your mobile wallet. If you have the KasFlow mobile wallet, you can scan it and make payments. But if you prefer to use a wallet extension, like we'll be doing in this demo, you can just go ahead and sign transaction. I'm going to try connect to passkey wallet. You can use an extension wallet if you prefer. My balance here is 1000 Kas, so I'm going to sign the transaction. And note, I'm connected on testnet. This also works on mainnet too. So send 100 Kas and authenticate with your fingerprints or your Face ID if you're using a phone. And transaction is successful. Let's confirm this on Explorer. As you can see here, our transactions we just performed is actually successful. You can see the current time, and I did transfer to my second wallet address, so you see what that looks like. You can see transaction ID, which is B0. Let's come back here. Okay, this transaction ID is actually B0. Like I mentioned, I transferred to my second wallet address, so you see what that looks like, which is this. And yeah, you see the transaction ID, B0, I transfer to this address. You can decide to download your receipts, and your receipt looks this way. Scanning this QR code takes you to the Explorer. For developers, the integration is damn simple. You find these docs helpful. You can visit kasflow.xyz/docs. We showed you how to use our XDK, both the wallet connection. Instead of you having to do everything manually now, we have a wallet library that takes the abstraction away. I can allow you to connect via a passkey or a wallet extension. KasFlow solves the real problem. No more seed phrase, just biometrics. It's the first wallet connector library for Kaspa developers. Instant payments with no backend required. And we're live on mainnet, so the future of Kaspa payments make fast, simple, and secure. KasFlow, no backend, no database, no seed phrase, just instant Kaspa payments with a link.